Hello students, welcome to chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss about the unit number 7, chemical kinetics. The subtopic is rate law and rate constant. What is mean by rate law? Rate law nothing but the product of rate constant and the initial concentration of reactants. Okay. Now the rate of the reaction depending upon the concentration of the reactants. Whenever concentration of reactant is increases, at the same time rate also increases. Suppose concentration of reactant decreases, rate also decreases. That is important fact. We consider the general equation x amount of or x moles of A and y moles of B gives products. How will you write a rate equation for the reaction? So rate is equal to K. K is nothing but rate constant. And initial concentration of reactant and the initial concentration of another reactant. Exponential power means concentration of reactants. Now the order of the reaction depending upon exponential power of concentration of the reactants. So order is equal to m plus n. Okay students. Now we already discussed in the previous example, rate is equal to the rate constant and concentration of cyclopropane. Okay. Now how will you calculate the rate constant? Constant K means equal to the rate divided by concentration of cyclopropane. So K is equal to rate by concentration of cyclopropane. Now the experimental value of cyclopropane of rate is equal to 6.92 in 10 to the power of minus 2. The concentration of cyclopropane is 2 mole liter inverse. Next, how will you calculate the rate constant? We already know that the formula for rate constant is equal to rate divided by concentration of cyclopropane. So 6.92 into 10 to the power of minus 2 is experimental value. Concentration of cyclopropane is 2 divided by 2. So we have 3.46 in 10 to the power of minus 2. The another experimental value 3.46 in 10 to the power of minus 2, concentration is equal to 1. We get value 3.46 in 10 to the power of minus 2. And third experimental value 1.73 in 10 to the power of minus 2 is equal to, and concentration of cyclopropane is 0.5. So 1.73 into 10 to the power of minus 2 divided by 0.5 is equal to 3.46 in 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay students, we see that three values are all are same value because the concentration of the cyclopropane will change and rate also changed, but rate constant will not change. Okay. Next we consider the next example, oxidation of nitric oxide or nitrogen monoxide. Formula for nitrogen monoxide, 2 moles of NO at gaseous state, it undergoes oxidation reaction, so oxygen to give 2 moles of NO2. Okay, this reaction experimental value concentration of NO into 10 to the power of minus 2 mole liter inverse and oxygen into 10 to the power of minus 2 mole liter inverse. Initial rate of the reaction is equal to into 10 to the power of minus 2. First value 1.3 is concentration of nitrogen monoxide or nitric oxide. Oxygen value 1.1. At time the initial rate 19.26. Equation number 1. Okay. Next 1.3 nitrogen monoxide value, 2.2 is a oxygen value. And the initial rate 38.40. This is the second equation. 2.6 is a nitrogen monoxide value, oxygen value 1.1, initial rate is a 76.80, equation number 3. So from this data we calculate order of the reaction. First of all, order of reaction means first we should write rate equation. Rate equation means what? Rate is equal to product of rate constant and concentration of reactants. So rate is equal to K into nitrogen monoxide is one of the reactant. The concentration is power M, oxygen concentration N. So rate equation, first rate equation for the first equation is rate, instead of first equation 19.26 in 10 to the power of minus 2 and K into 1.3. The values are given 1.3 for M and 1.1 for N. So equation number 1. Similarly, equation number 2, the rate equation for second equation, rate is equal to K into NO, nitrogen monoxide power M, oxygen power N. Values are given. So rate equation value 38.40 into 10 to the power of minus 2 is a rate. K into 1.3 into power M, 2.2 power N, equation number 2. Similarly, equation number 3 are given 2.6 and 1.1, 76.80, equation number 3. So 76.8 into 10 to the power of minus 2 K into 2.6 power M and 1.1 power N. We calculate from this data order of the reaction. Now equation number 2 divided by 1. Equation number 2 divided by equation number 1. We have equation number 2 value 38.40 into 10 to the power of minus 2 divided by 19.26 in 10 to the power of minus 2. And K also value. K is a constant. Both are cancelled here. And 1.3 power M and 1.3 power M also cancelled. Should be cancelled. And 2.2 power N and 1.1 power N. 38.40, 19.26 is divided by 2. So 2 equal to 2.2 power 2 by divided by 1.1 for 1 power N. So now 2 power 1 and 2 power N. So finally we get N is equal to 1. Next, equation number 3. Equation number 3 divided by equation number 1. So 76.8 divided by into 10 to the power of minus 2 divided by 19.26 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay, K value also cancelled, 1.1 also cancelled. Now M value 4 equal to 2.6 power M and 1.3 power M. So totally 4 is equal to 2 power 2. So 2 power 2 and 2 power M, where M is equal to 2. So from this equation, rate law for the oxidation of nitrogen monoxide. So rate is equal to K into concentration of NO is equal to oxygen value 1. So net result order of the reaction is equal to 2 plus 1, because the order of the reaction is nothing but the power of the sum of the power of the exponential power of the concentration of reactants. So order of the reaction equal to 2 plus 1. So order of the reaction of nitrogen monoxide is equal to 3, third order reaction. Okay students. Okay, next we will meet next class. Thank you.